Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is not looking too good at the moment, and the altcoins, the volume is drying up. We had a bit of a spike in volume. We had the feelings of a bull market the last 2 weeks, but it seems to be dying off. Now that's a concern. There is news that Luna, the UST Foundation, was buying $10 billion of Bitcoin. They were almost buying $100 million of Bitcoin each day. The last 4 days, over the weekend and the last 4 days, they stopped making those buys. So that could be why we're having this volume drop off. And that's concerning, but I do think they said that they're going to be buying $10 billion of Luna. So it does look like they will keep it up in the long run. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, 71,000 people now, which is amazing. And we're also going to, if you saw my post on Twitter, I talked about Elon Musk is going to buy Twitter. I said that maybe a month ago, and it came true today. I actually predicted that Elon Musk would buy Twitter. I'm going to show you that as well. He bought 10% of Twitter. That sent it up 25%, which is beautiful. Let's jump in technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. The overall market at the moment, look at this, Twitter up 25% on this news that Elon is going to buy Twitter. Now, to get back to it, I actually bought a lot of Twitter, and I bought some more today because this is just it just took out the downtrend. If Twitter was to go back towards all-time high, that's almost, its all-time high was $80. So we can go up another 100%, almost 100% on Twitter. And it's turned bullish now with this news, especially on the weekly of Elon buying Twitter. It had a big spike. Look, we went from $37 to $49, which is beautiful. NEO is up 8.5%, Baba 6%, Palantir 5%. The stock market having a big push up. Tesla up massive. Tesla is up 5% today, 4 point something percent. And what it's doing now, its target will be $1,248. If we can get above here, 1,220, this will be really good, because this will be another higher high, not a higher low. And that's what we could be pushing us into a bull trend. So we really need to get above that. Facebook also up 3.5%, which is really good. Tesla, Facebook, and Coinbase are my biggest holdings in the stock market. I have a lot of Facebook, Tesla, and Coinbase. If you followed my live trades, you saw that I was buying a lot of them. Uber, also one of my biggest holdings, up 2%. But at the same time, the crypto markets are pulling back. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the weekly is not doing so good. Why? On the weekly candles, last week's weekly candle, which just closed around just yesterday, it made a doji candle, everyone. A doji is a indicator of a change of direction. A doji candle is an indicator of a change of direction. This is a doji candle. What a doji candle is, it's when a candle wicks up and down, so it does something like that, and then it closes just in the middle being filled. I can't really draw it with these arrows, but this is a doji candle, this one up here. So that's not too good that the weekly candle on Bitcoin made a doji just now. And then since the start of the week, it's been dropping down. Stochastic still has more to go up. On the weekly, money flow is still flowing to Bitcoin on the weekly, so it's still bullish on the weekly candles, but that doji is something to be concerned. We're above the EMA ribbon still, which is good news. The VPVR, we got a lot of support, but the main support is at the 39,000. Crypto Guru bot on the weekly, doesn't show on the weekly. On the Bitcoin indicator bot, it showed a buy down here, and it's still saying a buy. It hasn't flipped to a sell. Let's go into the daily. Daily is coming down now. On the Bitcoin indicator fired a sell on the daily, and today we went from 46,400 down to 45,700, and again we're back beneath this blue 2-year trend line, and that's not good. We have a major support at 44,400, and it needs to hold. It's very important that we hold here. Let's go into the 4-hourly, see the trades. On the 4-hourly, it just fired a sell as well, the Bitcoin indicator bot, which is not good news. Stochastic is heading down, but quite oversold at the moment. Money flow there's no volume coming to Bitcoin, which is quite a concern. Stochastic is heading down, money is flowing out, so it's looking like Bitcoin's trying to drop. This 44,000 is a big area of support that's very important. But to be honest, there's no volume coming into Bitcoin right now, so it's not going to be going up with no volume. EMA ribbons are trying to turn to head down as well. Not nice. VPVR, the major support is down at the 39K. Bitcoin indicator bot is fired a sell. The crypto guru bot also a sell. So both indicators are saying sell. I might actually close my trade here on a loss. On the hourly candles, we're also forming a big W, and it made a lower high. So 44,000 is very important that we bounce off there. Here we're at a support line that we bounced off a few days ago. We came down to 45,000, then we had this big bounce to 47, then we're coming back down to 45,000. So it's a bit difficult position here. It's not a good place to be long, it's not a good place to be short as Bitcoin decides. But again, at this 44,467, there is a strong support area here. So most likely Bitcoin will come down and bounce off here. I'm going to show you my trades. I would be very cautious to open new trades here. I'll show you my trades underneath this video. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video you can find the links. So if you go down below, hit this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button and join 71,000 subscribers. Now click the join button to get notified of live trades in stocks and cryptos, and go down Bitcoin Trading Bybit link. If you sign up to Bybit down there, you get a $4,600 sign up bonus when you sign up to Bybit. You can use NordVPN if you have any country restrictions, and you can take the crypto master course where I teach you about crypto, technical analysis, technical trading, etc. I'll show you my trades. In my account I have 200,800, so it's about even since yesterday. Cake went up, we were at 202,000, but then it's come down. Bitcoin also dropping 1%. I've got 105,000 US dollars. I've got Cake around $42,000 of Cake. It was up a lot actually today, but it's pulling back with the overall market. My Bitcoin trade is down 17% right now. My stop loss is at 43,500, so I'm going to let this trade run. But at the moment, it's not looking so good for Bitcoin. I've got another order at this support at 44,467 that will add more to my position on Bitcoin. But right now, the market's not looking good because the volumes are drying up. Colt Dow is also pulling back just now, down 26%. It's still up a lot since I bought it at 33, but now it's sitting at 44. It went up to 17. It's pulled back. The volumes are drying up in the crypto markets, which is not nice. Today, it had a big movement and then a big pullback as well. It moved up to 65 and then it's come down to 45, but I'm very bullish this project. It's not yet been released on exchanges, so when it gets released on exchanges it'll be very interesting. So I'm very bullish on Colt Dow. PSYOP is also down 25%, which is not good. They both pulled back quite a lot today. I have around $70,000 of Colt Dow and I have around $50,000 of PSYOP, but they dropped quite a bit today. The market is just pulling back. Volumes are drying out, which is not so good. We really need volume to be pushing up this market, or Bitcoin could be falling quite far. So that's what's happening. Let's check out. I'll show you where I predicted Twitter. If you followed my live trades down below, this was me, what I posted in Twitter on the 26th of the 3rd, on 26th of March. I'm loading up on Twitter Monday. Elon Musk might buy it. Not financial advice. It's a hunch and what I'm doing. That's what I posted on the 26th of March on my Twitter. And then, do I predict the future or what? That's what I posted today, because Elon bought 9.2% of Twitter. He bought it today. It was announced that he bought 9.2% of Twitter. He bought 73 million shares, and Twitter spiked 28% after the news, which is amazing. Omni is about to release an NFT collection. You can check out those guys. They're going to be launching, which is going to be an exciting project. Magicraft, these are some designs from Magicraft. Look at the detail of the characters that will be in the game. This will be the play to earn game. This is the mage detail. It's amazing. And the wand, dinner with candles. It's nice when they're green. 40k in right now, James. You're always making me money. Beautiful. Been following you since Thailand days. The pool with the jungle view. You always wore a robe in your videos in those days. Been following you since 2 years. You're a goat, greatest of them all. Ah, that's what goat means. Wait, no. Greatest of them. Okay, maybe. We're going to introduce the Templar Knights of MCRT, which will give the top 50 holders, like guardians of the Magicraft world, which we're going to announce, which is going to be interesting. So at the moment, the market is not looking so good. Bitcoin is pulling back. Here is a very important support. If we don't bounce here, if we come down to 44,000, this will create a big M pattern, and that could really drop Bitcoin down even to 42,000. So it's looking a little bit dangerous for Bitcoin right now, and volumes are drying up, especially on altcoins. No volume coming to altcoins. The stock market is doing well, but 25% up on Twitter, as I called back in March. The stock of Tesla up 4.4%, Facebook 3.5%, Coinbase 2%. But the crypto markets are having a very big pullback right now, with no volume. Hopefully Don Kwon from Luna steps in and starts buying that Bitcoin to prop it up. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, And my team is going to pick a winner from when we ask this competition for 200 USD. They're going to announce it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.